Why should you vote for the Against Malaria Foundation to win Project for Awesome 2018? Well, guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but the world has kind of a lot of problems. And a lot of them are really big and really scary and hurt a lot of people, and we don't know what to do about them. Reading the news, it can feel like the world is falling apart, and trying to change it is brave to try, but ultimately doesn't do much. And it can be really easy to forget one thing. This is the World Poverty Clock. It's a real-time estimate of how many people in the world are living under the global poverty line. Each little black stick figure represents a person escaping extreme poverty, and each little red stick figure represents someone falling into it. You'll notice there are a lot more black stick figures than red ones. Every day, more people are able to feed their families, to send their kids to school, to have the freedom to think about things other than day-to-day survival. This is global child mortality over time. Guys, we're getting it right. We're fixing the planet, but there's still a lot of work to do. Fighting malaria is one of the things humanity is winning at. It's a horrible disease that mainly affects children, and a very painful way to die. It's also absurdly easy to prevent, with a bed net that costs several dollars. This is bed nets. Donating to the Against Malaria Foundation is currently the cheapest known way to save a life. If you want to make the graphs of sad things go to zero and help out every single human face behind them, this is the fastest way to do it. There are lots of tragic problems you can push out without moving. Malaria is not one of them. Vote for AMF for Project for Awesome 2018.